This is my honest review of AI coffee shops in Toronto. Yeah.
Excellent choice. Hello. Our hot chocolate is very popular. Let me prepare it right away.
With water, you can get number one, aisle 24.
Yes, I know. Don't come for me. It is a convenience store, but a lot of my friends would often buy coffee here, particularly. I don't know what it was, but in this convenience store, it was all self serve. You go in, buy your own products, pick up whatever you want, and you're trusted to pay on your own as well. No cashiers were involved. So, yeah, this is aisle 24, and oh, yeah, I think it's closed now because a lot of people are just stealing and breaking in. So, that's aisle 24. It isn't as cool as something that actually serves you the coffee, though.
Muji slash Artley.
Now, Muji, for those who don't know, is actually a Japanese minimalistic store that sells like everything from clothing to furniture and groceries and coffee. So, Artley is actually inside of Muji and it features this crazy cool robot that serves your coffee for you, but it actually makes it right in front of your eyes. Like as if it were a barista, it's just a robot instead. And something actually interesting and funny happened while I was there.
Hot chocolate is very popular.
Really?
Let me prepare it right away.
Okay.
In the meantime, you can find more details in the Artley Coffee app.
Thank you. I guess he speaks to you as well. A robot is making my hot chocolate. I'm not an avid coffee drinker or lattes for that matter, but I do like my hot chocolate. So I could judge this video based off of the quality of a hot chocolate. Anyhow, my boy cooking right now. Take him in. Yeah, you. Wait. It have no
You cannot see
cups.
cup at preparation stage.
Hold on, we have a problem. He cannot see cup at preparation stage. Okay, this is interesting because now it's paused. You don't have a cup. Something going wrong with the machine, guys. Okay, well, there's good content. So this is the problem with AI in robotics right now. The machine paused, and I don't know what's going on with my coffee. My hot chocolate is in pause. I have to find a worker. This is interesting. There you go. Thank you. Okay, somebody had to come and fix him for me. Wow, that was funny. Well, there we have it, guys. What are the main problems? Alright, let's watch him cook up now. Look
You
at
can
it.
order drinks on the kiosk or the Artley Coffee app.
It look almost perfect, not gonna cap. I hear, brother, I hear. I'm gonna take more. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Don't let you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up.
RC Coffee.
Now, out of all the options and all the cafes we've been to in this video so far, I must say RC Coffee is easily the most convenient and the best tasting one. It also requires less human intervention, as this is often manned by one person that's not even there that often, and it makes less errors. I can safely say that out of all the times I've used RC Coffee, it hasn't had any errors or any mishaps. However, out of all the times I've used Artly, there have been mishaps, which is that one time. So I could safely say the most convenient RC Coffee, especially as it's also available outdoors and on the streets, beats Artly for sure. And we won't even consider Aisle24 in this video because I wasn't able to use their self-serve coffee machine anyway. So we'll give it to RC Coffee. Definitely they take number one spot. Please, super important, please find a sanitary way of allowing us to dispense clean lids each time. A lot of germs get caught into the dispenser, and this had a terrible smell when we dispensed it, so please.